Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep JK spark plugs, only way. Remove the ignition coil boots, label and unplug connectors, and extract old plugs with a 5/8-inch socket. Inspect threads and gap new plugs to specified clearance, apply anti-seize sparingly, and hand start each plug before torquing to factory spec. Reinstall coils, reconnect boots, and perform a quick test crank to confirm steady fire and idle. Gather tools: spark plug socket, ratchet, torque wrench, gap gauge, anti-seize, and dielectric grease. Park on level ground, disconnect negative battery terminal, and let engine cool. Work one cylinder at a time to avoid mix-ups, label coil packs if needed, and keep fasteners organized. Clean around spark plug wells to prevent debris, use compressed air or a brush, and inspect ignition coils for replacement parts. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Check out the product seen here. Robot Face: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, and it cleans while you wrench. See the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching, and save time on every job. Now let's get back to the video. Set the gap to the manufacturer specification using a gap gauge, and confirm each plug matches. Apply a small dab of anti-seize to the plug threads, avoiding the electrode. Thread plugs by hand to avoid cross-threading, then torque with a torque wrench to the correct spec. Reinstall coils with dielectric grease on boots, reconnect electrical connectors securely, and start the engine to verify smooth idle and no misfires before road testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.